Hey, Matt Hudson here from Chattanooga, Tennessee, and today I'm going to talk about how making money online really works and the value exchange. Are you battling with details of what it takes to actually start making money online? I know that battle all too well. There is so much bull circulating that it seems like those who really know what to do only want to share it after they fork out all the fortune. And even then they still hold back. How to start making money online even if you've never made 1 cent. Today we'll begin a 4-part series that will explain in detail the necessary pieces that have to be in place in order for you to start making money online. So here's the secret. There is no secret. It boils down to the basic principles that have worked in marketing for thousands of years. It has very little to do with the internet specifically. However, what you're about to learn over the next several days and the adaptation needed for it to work online and work for you. Make sense? So the question is, what's the first step in the process to making money online, even if you've never made 1 cent? Let's first list the 4 things you need. The remainder of today's training will completely focus on the first thing you need to start making money online. Number 1, the quality value exchange between you and those you want to serve. Number 2, a growing list of people you've helped from step 1 above. Number 3, a system for building relationships and authority with that list. And number 4, the right offer at the right time. We're going to learn how to fix what's broken, the first step towards making money online. When I first attempted making money online, I kept hearing said over and over, you have to give a value to the marketplace. Can I be brutally honest here? I had no freaking idea what that actually meant. And in my day-to-day life, that kind of talk wasn't happening. So it confused me. Imagine someone carrying around a box with a broken item inside. They are searching for someone to teach them how to fix it. They come upon you, and you are also carrying a box that has the fix instructions inside. You exchange your fix for their broken item. That's the definition of the giving value. It's an exchange that you make that leaves someone better than they were before connecting with you. In other words, when you're able to do one of the following 4 things, you have successfully given value. So number 1, give a quality solution to the problem. I'm having a problem with this. Or number 2, give a quality answer to the question. I have a question about this. And number 3, give a quality relief to pain. I'm suffering from this. And number 4, give quality advice to the given situation. I need advice on how to, whatever that might be. So, later we're going to do on part 2 and talk about the next piece of the puzzle when it comes to making money online. What I want to do until then is to identify, number 1, who do you serve with your business? Number 2, what are the boxes that they carry around with the broken items? And number 3, what is the fix in your box that you can exchange with item and make them better? So come back tomorrow and we'll talk about on part 2 how to grow a quality list of the people who you've helped from step 1 and exactly what needs to happen to get you closer to cash. And until then, have a great day.